So, what makes a business resilient? So, press pause on the video and see what you come up with. So, did you pause? Did you have a look at what makes a business resilient? Let me show you what we came up with. With the resilience in the business, it's about the character of the business, how adaptable, flexible, and how much initiative have you got in the business. And the mind is about your purpose, plan, and your leadership. The body or product and service of the business is about having diverse revenue streams, financial stability, and a healthy environment. And then the external aspects are about resources. Largely money is a big one. So it's cash flow, access to capital, financial reserves, assets, equity, and materials. Network is relationships. It's about having a robust supply chain, employee well-being and engagement, customer relationships that are strong, and community support. So the social license to operate is a big concern for many businesses. And how much social contribution are you making as well? And in skills and capability, it's about problem solving, risk management, and innovation. And then the same order applies. Have a look at where you need to strengthen aspects of your business or organization to ensure that it is resilient and prepared for what may or may not be coming.